Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag, what's in my purse video thingy and jiggy. And here's the purse, and this is a Betsey Johnson purse that I got at Macy's. It has a bow, has the gold chain, hardware, that kind of thing, and it has like that traditional like rose print that Betsey Johnson always has. So yeah, so I don't really carry a lot of stuff with me. This bag's already heavy as it is, and you'll see that I don't really have all that much in there. But first thing is my wallet. So I got this at Target, by the way. I think I featured this in a haul that should be already up. I'll link it down below if it is, hopefully. Since I have like a weird filming schedule, and I always put videos up at different times. But that's what I have. I have my agenda, and it is a weekly planner. And like the thing about agendas with me is that I buy them a lot. Like every year and I never end up completely using it. Like I'll use it for the first few weeks, and then I'll start getting lazy, and I'll start getting sloppy. So that's why like I've always wanted a Lilly Pulitzer agenda, but they're like $26, and I don't feel like spending all that money if I know I can't keep an agenda for like the entire duration of what it's supposed to last. Do you know what I mean? Like, so lately I've been practicing with these. This was $7.95 at Barnes & Nobles, and they have better patterns than this. I just got this one because it was small. Like, they have different sizes, but the smaller it is, the more likely I'm going to use it because it won't weigh down my book bag. So I'm trying to really keep it and like keep track of it and really write everything I need, because I do find them helpful. I'm just kind of lazy sometimes. So yeah, so I want to get myself into the habit of using these so that I can buy a Lilly Pulitzer agenda eventually. So yeah, that's the other thing I have. The next thing I have is very boring, and it is a Coach. It's my glasses case, because I have glasses. I'm very blind without them, and I actually hate them. Like, I just don't think they suit me, and I don't know what model they are, but I think they're too thick, and it's like they're in between like thin normal frame glasses and like the super nerd ones. Mine are in the middle, so it just doesn't look great. I feel like if they were a little bigger, then they could kind of fit in that nerdy cool thing, but they're just in the middle, and they just make me look really not good. They're new, that's why, and I don't want to spend money on another pair when I just got these. So the next thing is my makeup bag that I got at Ulta. If you haven't seen my go-to makeup bag, I'll link it here, and I'll also link it down below, because I'm going to get into the habit of doing that, because I always say that and I never link anything down below. So the next thing I have, I always carry a water bottle with me, but I don't have it in here right now because I'm not leaving yet, and I keep it in the refrigerator until the last minute so that it remains cool. So yeah, I always keep like a little pint of water to keep me hydrated, and so that I am less likely to buy any sugary drinks outside. I have sunscreen. Yes, I know it is winter, I am aware, but the sun's still out there. You can still get damage from the sun. I am very, very cautious about it because skin cancer has touched the lives of people I know. So yeah. Next thing I have is my Lilly Pulitzer Nook. Well, I mean, it's a Barnes & Noble's Nook, but it's a Lilly Pulitzer case. And I got this at Barnes & Noble. Another blue version of this, but I haven't been able to find it. Like, I feel like they discontinued this, which really blows, because now that new Nook models are coming out, like the Nook HD and the Nook tablet, I feel like this is the original Nook Simple Touch. I feel like now they're just not really putting a lot of effort into the accessories for this, since new stuff is coming out, and you can bend it back, and the inside says Lilly Pulitzer loves books, or loves Nooks, or the novel idea. I don't even know what it says. But yeah, this is a Nook I got it for like $90. I think the cheapest I've seen them is like $70, because Nooks do go on sale quite often. So if you're in the market for an e-reader, I like it. I know people like real books, like material books, like books you can hold in your hand, and I love them too. And as you can see, I do have hardcover books. My problem is I don't have a bookcase. I threw my old bookcase away, so until I get a new one, I've just been purchasing books here because they're cheap, until I can get a real bookcase where I can store all my books and they won't get like damaged, because these are already getting damaged. And yeah, so plus when you're going outside, these things can weigh a lot versus what this weighs. So, and when you put this in your bag, it's not going to get wrinkled. You're not going to crinkle the pages. If you're OCD about that, I can sometimes be. That's why I go for the Nook. So the last thing I have, I know, oh, never mind, I have a couple more. You can see I do have hardcover books. My problem is I don't have a bookcase. I threw my old bookcase away, so until I get a new one, I've just been purchasing books here because they're cheap until I can get a real bookcase where I can store all my books and they won't get like damaged, because these are already getting damaged. And yeah, so plus when you're going outside, these things can weigh a lot versus what this weighs. So, and when you put this in your bag, it's not going to get wrinkled. You're not going to crinkle the pages. If you're OCD about that, I can sometimes be. That's why I go for the book. So the last thing I have, I know, oh, never mind, I have a couple more. I have a baby bottle of Britney Spears Fantasy, and I got it at Marshall's. Marshall's actually has a lot of discounted perfumes, and this is 1.7 fluid ounces. I have the big bottle in my vanity over there. I'm trying to point at it. And I love Fantasy. It's my favorite perfume ever. I've gone from, like, I always go back to this. Like, I always drift away and try other fragrances, but Fantasy is the one I go to. Like, it's very fruity, it's very sweet, but I just love it a lot. And it has a little bit of spiciness, like a little bit of musk in it too. Can't deny that. So I keep that there, like when I'm on the go. I'm very careful not to drop my book bag anywhere because I know that would shatter. But I guess I can get those like things, whatever, I don't know. Never mind. Next thing I have are 3 pens. Well, these are gel pens, like the ones I got that I think I featured in my haul. Hopefully that's up right now. And these are gel ink pens. So I carry 3 with me. A plain black, a purple, and like this weird goldeny green color. I carry these just in case I have to write anything down. Like, you never know when something's gonna happen and you're gonna write something down, and that falls in line with some post-its. I have some little orange post-its. They're coming out kind of yellow on camera, but they're orange. Like, if someone asks, like, what's the name of your nail polish, and you want to write it down for them, you can write it down. I don't know. I just carry these with me just in case. If this one, I have to reorganize this. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. It was really short. I don't carry a lot of things with me just because then it gets really heavy, and then I'm just like, oh, I don't want to walk around with a heavy book bag. Purse. So that's it. I think once school starts, I'll probably do a what's in my school bag video. And yeah, so that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please subscribe and comment down below. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.